Congratulations for landing on this page. This is the day that changed your life. I want to invite you to join us at the Take Your First Trade Challenge. It will change your life for the rest of your life. The Take Your First Trade Challenge is a 5-day challenge that I came up with to help beginner traders navigate stock and option trading as a beginner, to help them to speed up the process to start taking their first trade in stocks and options, primarily options. I submit to you that if you think that you have a trading problem, you don't have a trading problem, you have a fear of losing money, not controlling emotions, lack of consistency, and possibly overwhelming terminologies. If this is you, I invite you to take your first trade challenge today. We help you learn the terminologies in a simple way. We also provide risk management strategies to lessen the chance of you feeling overwhelmed and help protect your capital. To guide you in the steps to implement, you can take your first trade without using any more money. We use a simulated account, or you can use your real money if you would like. That being said, join the challenge today. Remember, for His glory, peace.